Alone we can do so little. Together we can do so much. If everyone is moving forward together, then success takes care of itself. Many ideas grow better when transplanted into another mind than the one where they sprang up. If I have seen further, it is by standing on the shoulders of giants. No one can whistle a symphony. It takes a whole orchestra to play it. Teamwork is the ability to work together toward a common vision, the ability to direct individual accomplishments toward organizational objectives. It is the fuel that allows common people to attain uncommon results. It is the long history of humankind and animal kind, too, that those who learn to collaborate and improvise most effectively have prevailed. Coming together is a beginning, staying together is progress, and working together is success. Talent wins games, but teamwork and intelligence win championships. The strength of the team is each individual member. The strength of each member is the team. The best teamwork comes from men who are working independently toward one goal in unison. Politeness is the poison of collaboration. Find a group of people who challenge and inspire you. Spend a lot of time with them, and it will change your life. Effectively, change is almost impossible without industry-wide collaboration, cooperation, and consensus. Teamwork begins by building trust, and the only way to do that is to overcome our need for invulnerability. You need to be aware of what others are doing, applaud their efforts, acknowledge their successes, and encourage them in their pursuits. When we all help one another, everybody wins. The way a team plays as a whole determines its success. You may have the greatest bunch of individual stars in the world, but if they don't play together, the club won't be worth a dime. There's no such thing as a self-made man. You will reach your goals only with the help of others. It is literally true that you can succeed best and quickest by helping others to succeed. The whole is other than the sum of the parts. A group becomes a team when each member is sure enough of himself and his contribution to praise the skills of others. The ratio of we's to I's is the best indicator of the development of a team. Individual commitment to a group effort, that is what makes a team work, a company work, a society work, a civilization work. One piece of log creates a small fire, adequate to warm you up, and just a few more pieces to blast an immense bonfire, large enough to warm up your entire circle of friends. Needless to say that individuality counts, but teamwork dynamites. No matter how brilliant your mind or strategy, if you're playing a solo game, you'll always lose out to a team. Keep away from people who try to belittle your ambitions. Small people always do that, but the really great make you feel that you, too, can become great. If you want to lift yourself up, lift up someone else. Great things in business are never done by one person. They are done by a team of people. Individually, we are one drop. Together, we are an ocean. Cooperation is the thorough conviction that nobody can get there unless everybody gets there. None of us, including me, ever do great things, but we can all do small things with great love, and together we can do something wonderful. It is amazing what you can accomplish if you do not care who gets the credit. It takes two flints to make a fire. The way to achieve your own success is to be willing to help somebody else get it first. If you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together.